Alrighty, as we begin to squat, the first thing I like to do is do some warm-up exercises by doing some body weight squats. I was doing some multi-directional lunges just to warm up and get my mind right. Thinking about breathing, I'm mentally preparing for what I'm about to do. That's the purpose of a warm-up. You don't want to just jump right in because your body's not ready. Your body's not ready. Now as we begin our routine, the squat, you want to always warm up with the bar only. The first thing I'm doing when I get into the rack is I'm thinking about alignment. I'm grabbing the bar with my second to last finger on that little marking. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at a spot in front of me. I am getting under the bar. I'm squeezing my shoulder blades. My heels are shoulder width apart. My toes are slightly tilted outward. And I'm just mentally thinking about breathing, and focus. Looking not at the mirror, because looking at the mirror will mess you up. And by looking down, I mean not with your head. Use your eyes and look down at a spot. Pick a spot as if you're doing a quadriceps stretch and you're trying to keep your balance. And now the first thing we're thinking about as we begin our actual squat is hinging at the hips, which means to sit back with our butt. We're keeping our torso tight the whole way down. While we're going down, we're inhaling. And as we're coming up, we're exhaling that air. So we're thinking about breathing the whole time. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And that's the proper way to breathe while you're squatting. And one thing that's important about your feet alignment is the reason we're tilting our foot outward is so that we can press our hips or our adductors, the sides of our legs, outward. You want to press outward as if you are feeling like a band around your knees. You don't want your knees to go inward because that's gonna cause injury sooner or later. You want your knees to always go outward as if you're abducting your legs. It helps give you more power without causing injury. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and visit JacksonEliteFitness.com for more information, personal training if you're in the Denton area. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment, be an active social media member.
Go ahead on IG at Jackson Elite Fitness. Follow me, comment, be active, and go visit JacksonEliteFitness.com.